Fast Eddie here. Son-in-law and Andrew there. We're just stopping for lunch. I don't know what town this is in. I think this is... No, I don't even know what town this is in. It's by Ship Harbour, I think. But Awesome Andrew was leading, and he picked a beautiful spot for lunch here. Look behind me here. There he is, Awesome Andrew. How'd you find this nice location?
Some picnic tables for water.
You really found a nice spot. This is beautiful waterfalls here, and absolutely stunning scenery. Blue skies above us, and the water just goes all the way down. It's just a good spot for having a sandwich. But anyway, steady out, my brothers.